How to eat plant-based on a limited budget. Have you ever frozen in front of a shelf in a store, feeling how everything inside tightens from the impossibility of making a choice between health and your wallet? I remember that evening when I stood in the vegetable department, clutching a bag of cheap pasta to my chest and looked at the bright bunches of spinach that seemed like an unattainable luxury to me then. At that moment, it seemed to me that the path to conscious, plant-based nutrition was closed to me forever because my bank account whispered something completely different. But it was then that my most exciting journey into the world of real food began, which proved that taking care of yourself should not cost a fortune. Today, I want to hug each of you and whisper that you can feed your body with love and strength, even if there is very little money left in your pocket. We are used to believing beautiful pictures from social networks, where plant-based nutrition looks like endless smoothie bowls with exotic berries and expensive seeds. But the truth is that the real power of the earth is hidden in the simplest and most accessible products that our grandmothers knew for many centuries. We will walk this path together, casting aside marketing ploys and learning to see wealth where others see only the mundane. When we talk about switching to a plant-based diet, price tags for avocados or overseas quinoa often pop up in our heads. However, let us stop for a moment and look at what lies under our feet and on the very bottom shelves of supermarkets. The basis of the healthiest diet in the world costs mere pennies if you know how to approach it. Lentils, beans, chickpeas, and peas are real treasures that nature has given us for a long and active life. In one small handful of dry beans, there is so much protein and fiber hidden that it is enough to nourish your body with energy for many hours ahead. I remember how I first discovered the magic of red lentils, which turn into the most delicate soup in just 15 minutes. It was like a small miracle when a product costing a few dozen rubles results in a lunch worthy of the best restaurant. We often forget that the longest living peoples of the planet have always eaten simply, giving preference to greens and legumes rather than expensive substitutes. It is important to understand that plant-based nutrition on a limited budget requires from us not so much money as a drop of creativity and planning. Have you noticed how often we spend extra simply giving in to an impulse or hunger at the end of the workday? My main secret for saving the budget and peace of mind is to make friends with groats that many consider boring. Buckwheat, pearl barley, millet, and regular rice can become the canvas for your culinary masterpieces if you add the right spices and a little warmth to them. I learned to see in ordinary oatmeal not just porridge, but a base for hearty pancakes, homemade bars, or even a salty side dish with fried onions. This gives an amazing sense of freedom when you realize that your health no longer depends on discounts on imported goods. Each of us is capable of creating an atmosphere of abundance in our kitchen, using what our native land gives us depending on the time of year. Seasonality is another important key to savings that we often forget in the pursuit of summer vegetables in the middle of winter. In winter, our body does not ask for watery tomatoes. It craves warmth and root vegetables that have accumulated all the power of autumn. Beets, carrots, cabbage, and pumpkin cost very little, but their benefits for women's health are simply invaluable. Think about how much beauty and brightness an ordinary baked beet can bring if you complement it with a handful of seeds and homemade sauce. We often look for salvation in expensive vitamins, forgetting that the simplest sauerkraut is a powerful probiotic that protects our immunity and skin glow. I started fermenting cabbage myself, and this process became a kind of meditation for me, a return to the roots and traditions of my ancestors. There's a special magic in this when you create with your own hands a product that will nourish your family during long, cold evenings. Let's talk about how to go to the store correctly so as not to leave half of your salary there. Never enter the sales floor without a clear list and on an empty stomach, because this is a direct path to unnecessary spending. I always try to buy basic products in large packages, because that way the price per pound, kilogram, becomes significantly lower. A huge bag of chickpeas or rice can cost as much as a cup of coffee in a cafe, but it will last for a whole month of hearty dinners. Frozen vegetables and berries are also our faithful allies in the struggle for savings and health. Modern freezing technologies allow you to preserve all the vitamins, and such mixtures often cost less than fresh analogs that have traveled a long way from warm countries. I always keep a bag of green peas or spinach in the freezer so that I can quickly prepare a full meal at any moment. This eliminates the temptation to order ready-made food when your strength is at an end and you want to eat immediately. Another important topic I want to touch upon is preparing food with your own hands from the very beginning. We pay huge money for convenience, buying ready-made culinary items or semi-finished products, but in fact, we're paying for someone else's time. Making homemade hummus from boiled chickpeas costs 5 times less than buying a small jar in a store. At the same time, you will know exactly that there is no extra sugar, cheap oil, or preservatives inside. Plant milk can also be easily prepared at home from a handful of oat flakes or sunflower seeds, simply by blending them with water and straining through cheesecloth. When I first made such milk, I was struck by how simple and tasty it is. This gave me an incredible sense of control over my life and my nutrition, which previously seemed too complicated to me. We often underestimate our strength, thinking that the kitchen takes up too much time, but in fact, it returns this time to us in the form of health and vigor. I want to share with you the story of my friend who found herself in a difficult financial situation and was forced to reconsider her habits. She always thought that healthy eating was intended only for rich people living in big cities. But when she started buying ordinary lentils instead of meat, she noticed that her grocery expenses were cut almost in half. She learned to bake sourdough bread, make bean pâtés, and grow greens on her windowsill. Her kitchen was filled with the aromas of spices and fresh bread, and she herself began to feel much lighter and more energetic. This story reminds us that any limitations can become a door to a new world if we are ready to open our hearts to change. We do not need a lot of money to be happy and healthy. We only need a little mindfulness and a desire to take care of ourselves. Many women fear that their family will not support the transition to plant-based nutrition, especially if the budget is very limited. But the secret of success lies in doing it gradually and with love, offering familiar tastes in a new performance. A regular stew with potatoes and mushrooms, or a hearty pilaf with chickpeas can please even the most inveterate meat lovers. The main thing is not to focus on what is not in the dish, but to emphasize what is in it. Add more greens to your food. Use garlic, turmeric, paprika, and other spices that make the taste voluminous and rich. Spices can be bought by weight at markets, which turns out to be much more profitable than small bags in supermarkets. Once you buy a set of basic spices, you'll ensure a variety of tastes for many months ahead. This is a small investment in your culinary pleasure that will pay off 100-fold. One should not forget about wild plants that nature gives us completely free of charge in the warm season. Young nettle, goutweed, and dandelions can become a wonderful addition to spring salads and soups, filling them with rare microelements. I remember how my grandmother always gathered the first greens, and now I understand what wisdom was in her actions. Of course, you need to collect such herbs in ecologically clean places, far from roads and cities. But even a simple walk in the forest for berries or mushrooms can be a great way to replenish your supplies and, at the same time, rest your soul. Nature is incredibly generous to those who are ready to accept its gifts with gratitude and respect. This returns us to the natural rhythm of life, where food is not just fuel, but part of a large cycle of life. I also want to advise you to pay attention to Asian and Indian recipes, which were originally built on the use of accessible plant products. The Indian dish dal, made of lentils, or Chinese fried rice with vegetables, cost pennies, but have an incredibly rich taste. The culture of consuming soy, which is one of the cheapest sources of complete protein, can also be your support. Regular tofu may seem tasteless, but it has an amazing ability to absorb the aromas of other ingredients. I learned to marinate it in soy sauce with ginger and fry it until golden brown, and now it is one of the favorite dishes in my home. Do not be afraid to experiment with the cuisines of different peoples, because they hide centuries-old knowledge about how to eat heartily and inexpensively. An important aspect of budget, plant-based nutrition is the ability to use products completely, minimizing waste. From vegetable scraps, you can cook a rich broth that will become the basis for a future soup or sauce. Stale bread can be turned into aromatic croutons with herbs, and darkened bananas will become the ideal base for healthy cookies or pancakes. We live in an era of excessive consumption, but a careful attitude toward food helps us not only save money, but also feel a deep connection with the world. When we stop throwing away food, we begin to value every piece, every fruit that grew thanks to the sun and water. This changes our consciousness, making us more attentive and grateful people. I know that sometimes it can be hard to resist the bright packaging of ready-made vegan products, such as plant-based sausages or cheeses. But if you look at their composition, you will see many questionable additives there, and the price for such a product is often unjustifiably high. Try instead to make your own pâté from sunflower seeds or nuts with the addition of sun-dried tomatoes. It will be much tastier, healthier, and cheaper, and your loved ones will be delighted with such a homemade treat. We often look for a replacement for familiar products, but the secret is to discover completely new flavor combinations. The plant world is so rich and diverse that you will never be bored if you allow yourself to be an explorer in your own kitchen. Often we face social pressure when friends or relatives do not understand our choice and consider it a whim for the rich. In such moments, it is important to remember why you are doing this and not to enter into arguments, but simply to share your experience and delicious food. Prepare your signature vegetable pie or lentil pâté and bring it to a general dinner. When people see that plant-based food can be hearty, beautiful, and inexpensive, their prejudices begin to melt away by themselves. Your confidence and glowing appearance will be the best proof that you are on the right path. We do not have to prove anything to anyone. We simply live in accordance with our values and take care of our only home, which is our body. Planning a menu for the week may seem like a boring task, but it is exactly what saves us from extra spending and headaches. Set aside 1 hour on a day off to sketch out an approximate plan for lunches and dinners based on what is already in your cupboard. This will help you make an accurate shopping list and avoid unnecessary purchases in the store. I often cook large portions of basic products, such as chickpeas or brown rice, at the beginning of the week. Then I simply add different vegetables and sauces to them, creating new dishes in a matter of minutes. This saves not only money, but also my precious time, which I can spend on communicating with loved ones or resting. Life is too short to spend all evenings at the stove, but it is long enough to take care of your health every day. Another important point that helps me save is buying products in low-price stores or at wholesale bases. There you can find the same grains, pasta made from durum wheat, or vegetable oils much cheaper than in posh supermarkets. Do not be ashamed to look for a bargain, because this is a manifestation of care for your budget and the future of your family. I also like to visit markets at the end of the workday, when sellers are ready to lower the price of vegetables and fruits so as not to take them back. This is a great opportunity to buy ripe fruits for next to nothing and immediately use them for making sauces or freezing. Being thrifty does not mean denying yourself the best. It means being wise and using all available opportunities. Plant-based nutrition on a limited budget teaches us to value simplicity and find joy in small things. When we stop depending on expensive delicacies, we begin to feel the real taste of products. Sweet carrots, crumbly potatoes, aromatic dill begin to play with new colors. We return to the origins when food was medicine and a source of life, and not just a means for obtaining quick pleasure. This is a path to inner harmony and peace, because we know that we can provide ourselves with everything necessary despite external circumstances. Each of you deserves to feel strong, healthy, and confident in tomorrow.